Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are well. Third class children, we are at the end of the textbook. Today we are going to learn a poem, Mornings. What is the poem name? Mornings. Our last poem, children. Mornings. What do you mean by mornings? And every morning when we woke up, how we are feeling? What is our feeling? Those feelings all are here explained in this poem. Rustling sheet, rustling, rustling, rustling. And what do you mean by rustling? And a rustling sheet. See children, how beautifully they have explained this poem. It makes a soft crispy sound. Rustling sheet and the sheet which has been kept on a bed, and it makes a very soft sound. So see children how he was explaining the morning. Rustling sheet, shuffling feet. Shuffle means our feet. Shuffled means jumbled. Okay. Creaking bones, stifled groans, chirping, crowing, noises blowing, toilets flushing, bath taps gushing, coffee cups clatter, breakfast chatter, neighbors singing, telephones ringing, radios tuning, traffic booming, motorbikes thrumming, power drills drumming, jet planes thunder. I just wonder at the noise. See children, here they have explained all the morning sessions schedule. See, every morning some members are rush for the toilets, then some are preparing their breakfast, some will read the newspaper, some will do their exercise, and some will drink their coffee in a cup. Telephone is ringing on that morning. See, a boy who was waking up from the bed. See how his feeling was. What a morning it was. Rustling sheet, the soft sound, and the feet were engaged means jumbled. Creaking bones means a strange noise from the bones, and stifled groans. Groans and whatever when we woke up early in the morning, the sound made by us is known as groan, something that stop from happening. Next one, chirping, crowing, noises blowing. Chirping, crowing means the birds, the sounds made by the birds are denoted by here chirping and crowing. Noises blowing, toilets flushing means every morning all members rush for the toilet. So toilets are flushing all over. Bathtubs gushing means after bathrooms are very busy in the early morning schedule children, because every member wants to rush for their work. So before going to work they have to complete all their works. They have to drink coffee, they have to go for the bathroom, later on they have to read the newspaper, they have to take their breakfast, all the things they have to do. So every morning schedule was very busy, and this boy was waking up with a soft voice, and every morning when we do this our bones will stretches. Okay, so in this way children, here they have beautifully explained us about the poem, everyday sounds that poet hears in the morning. These are the sounds children which the poet was hearing. Which sounds he was hearing? He was hearing the sound of sheet. He was hearing the sounds of feet. He was hearing the creaking sound of bones. Okay, he was hearing the chirping, crowing, noises blowing means the sounds made by the birds. Here nana chirping, crowing and here denotes us about the bones, denotes us about the birds children. Chirping and crowing, these denotes us about the sounds made by the birds. Okay, toilets flushing sound also very morning, very irritable to us. But morning we all hear these types of noises. Here the poet also explains us about the different sounds children made by him. Different sounds whatever he was hearing all around him. So children, let us see some new words here. The sounds what we hear, new words I am going to once explain here. See, rustling, R-U-S-T-L-I-N-G, rustling, R-U-S-T-L-I-N-G, rustling, stuffling, S-T-U-F-F-L-I-N-G, stuffling, creaking, C-R-E-A-K-I-N-G, creaking. Next, Nana, flushing, F-L-U-S-H-I-N-G, flushing. Next, children, next, blowing, B-L-O-W-I-N-G, blowing. Next, children, gushing, G-U-S-H-I-N-G, gushing. Next, children, clatter, C-L-A-T-T-E-R, clatter. Next one, thrumming, T-H-R-U-M-M-I-N-G, thrumming. Okay, children. Next one, drumming, D-R-U-M-M-I-N-G, drumming. Next, children, thunder, T-H-U-N-D-E-R, thunder. Okay, next one, children, gushing, gushing completed, Nana. Next, groans, G-R-O-A-N-S, groans. Next one, booming, B-O-O-M-I-N-G, booming. Next one, children, clatter, C-L-E, clatter already we have completed. Chatter, C-H-A-T-T-E-R, chatter. So children, these are the sounds which the poet was hearing in the morning time. The sounds which the poet was hearing in the morning time. See Nana, once again, the first word if you see, rustling means a sheet. This one, feet. This is bird. This is toilets. Okay. This is blowing taps. Okay. R-U-S-T-L-I-N-G, rustling. S-T-U-F-F-L-I-N-G, stuffling. C-R-E-A-K-I-N-G, creaking. F-L-U-S-H-I-N-G, flushing. B-L-O-W-I-N-G, blowing. G-U-S-H-I-N-G, gushing. C-L-A-T-T-E-R, clatter. T-H-R-U-M-M-I-N-G, thrumming. D-R-U-M-M-I-N-G, drumming. T-H-U-N-D-E-R, thunder. G-R-O-A-N-S, groans. B-O-O-M-I-N-G, booming. C-H-A-T-E-R, chatter. Okay, children. Now see Nana, sound words here. Two sound words, rustling sheets and coffee cup clatter. The word, see Nana, rustling and clatter are the sound. First one was the sound made by the sheets and the second one is the sound made by the coffee. Okay, children. So in this way the poet, once again let us revise the poem, children, what he has explained to us. See, I am reading the poem, Nana. Mornings, rustling sheet, shuffling feet, creaking bones, stifled groans, chirping, crowing, noises blowing, toilets flushing, bath taps gushing, coffee cups clatter, breakfast chatter, neighbors singing, telephones ringing, radios tuning, traffic booming, motorbikes thrumming, power drills drumming, jet planes thunder. See, different sounds. Rustling was the sound made by the sheet. The sound made by the feet is denoted by shuffling, bones sound creaking, groans sound stifled, bones again here nana, birds chirping, crowing, noses blowing means early morning we feel some uneasiness in our noses, and toilets flushing, tap gushing, coffee clatter, breakfast chatter, neighbors sound singing sound, telephones sound ringing, radios sound tuning, traffic booming, motorbikes thrumming, power drills drumming. Okay children, jet planes thunder. So in this way, in this poem the poet has explained the different voices which he was hearing in the morning time. Once you revise this poem nana, we will discuss in our next session the exercises related to it. Have a nice day.